How to fix Rocket League error code 71. In this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to fix this kind of error message that you're receiving on your end while playing the game. Now, this error message is actually referring to your network stability by restarting your router, using a wired connection and checking the server status, and potentially adjusting the firewall DNS. Your first step is to go into your browser and type in Epic Games status and choose one of their first result. And here locate Rocket League and make sure that all services is operational. If it's turning red, then that means that there is a status unavailable ongoing on the game. What you want to do is to open up your CMD or your command prompt, and then the command that you'll have to execute is ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. This allows you to clear cache directly from the game, and then once you've done this, just simply restart your router, restart the game, and see if it is already working. And that's how you fix Rocket League error code 71.